Hey everyone, this is Ben. In this video, let's see how we can create a multi-page app in Nuxt. Alright, let's create a Nuxt app here in this folder projects. Here I open a terminal and open VS Code here. Alright, to create a Nuxt app, open a new terminal and here run npx nuxt add latest init, and for the app name, multi page app. Alright, and for the package manager, I use npm. You can choose any of these. Hit enter and initialize git repository. I say yes. You can say no, that's important. Has been created. Now we need to go to its directory and run npm run dev to see it on localhost. Alright, npm run dev. Alright, here is our app. Copy the address and I want to use VS Code's browser. Go to view, command palette and look for browser. Alright, simple browser. Paste the address here and hit enter. Alright, here is our Nuxt app. And here is the app.view, the main page source code. Alright, let me put this here and split the window and put this here. Alright. Now I want to create a multi-page app here. But first, let's create a header for our app. I use a div and an h1 tag, my app. Okay, let's add some style to it. Background color and this one. Alright, padding, half rem. Alright, and here I want to display the pages. In Nuxt apps, to create a page, you first need to create a pages directory in your app directory. Create a folder pages. And here you can create your page. Create a new file. I create ben.view. Your file must have a .view extension and the file name will be the page address. Alright, let's create the page. And this error is because we need to make some changes in app.view. Anyway, first let's create the page. Create a template. And I create a div, an h2 tag, and this is Ben. Alright. Next, back to the app.view, and here after the header, I want to display the page. I add an hr tag to add an horizontal line, and here I want to display the page using Nuxt page. And if I refresh my app, you are seeing a not found error. Because when you use Nuxt page, you need an index.view file in the pages directory. Create a new file, index.view. Alright. Create a template. And this is actually your home page. An h2 tag and welcome. Now if I refresh my app, here you can see home page and here is the header. This is the index.view. And if I want to see Ben, just here enter Ben, the file name without the extension, and you will see your page. Alright, now I want to create some links here to my pages. To create links, I want to create links in app.view. In the header. Here, use Nuxt link tag. Nuxt link. And to set the address, use to. And here enter /file name without the extension. /ben. Close the tag, and here enter the title. I enter about. And if I click on it, I go to Ben. Next, I want to create a link to the home page. Here, create another Nuxt link. I duplicate this. And for the address, just use a single slash. And for the title, home. Alright, we need some space here. Here I add a pipe. Alright. Now I can navigate to home page and about. And if you notice, when I navigate, the address is not changing in the address bar. I think this is because of a bug in the VS Code's browser. If you open it in Chrome, when you navigate, you can see the address is changing. Alright. I want to create another page. You see that? How quick you can create a page? Just create a file. I create shop.view and template. Alright. And create a link to it using Nuxt link. Alright. And for the address, the file name without the extension, /shop. And the title. Alright, easy.
Huh?
Why? When you're developing, sometimes you need to refresh your app. These errors will not occur in production, I hope. Alright. And in Chrome, you see that address is changing. And in the stack blitz, I also create this project at this address. Here you can see it. The files, the app.view, and the pages. And the link is in the caption.